Phew! That was not something I'm very comfortable with. Okay, here I go. Down, 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 down. Oh crap, what do I do? Ah! I go here, here, down here, across here. And once I secure here, I can grab this rock. And I kind of up to here. Into here. And all I have to do is go jump down, go back across. I think they could use a bridge right here. That would be nice. And this is the way back up. No matter what happens, I'm not coming back this way. I think I'm ready to, once I get down to the parking lot, get in my car, eat lunch, and then maybe take one of the short ground trails, maybe take a short distance down one of the ground trails and come back. Maybe. Depends on what the time is and how I feel. I don't feel too bad until I got to this section. Oh crap. Man, if there was more water flowing, Full Stream waterfall, that's another alternative that could be taken. I think some people take that. It's still risky because it's muddy. It's not very wide. But you can go up to here, still maybe go down here, across the shelf, across here, and then back down to here. You do not want to have anything to do with that rock right there. I imagine that's pretty slick. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, Okay, enough horsing around. I gotta go